Good morning, student. This video is the continuation video of pollination and fertilization. In the last video, already we have studied about the advantages and disadvantages of self-pollination and cross-pollination. And in this video, we will going to discuss about how does the natures favor in the cross-pollination, means the contravences, the condition which favor for the cross pollination. There is the following condition which favor the cross pollination. Cross pollination, as you know, student, means the pollen grain are present on the separate plant and the anther and the stigma is present on the separate plant. When the pollen grain is transferred from one plant of one flower to the another plant of the another flower. This condition is called as the cross pollination. In our nature, there is so many favorable condition which leads to the cross pollination. Let us see the following condition which favor the cross pollination. First is the unisexuality, dichogamy, self-sterility, hercogamy and heterostyle. These are the 5 conditions which favor to the nature for a cross pollination. Let us see one by one in details. Let us start with the unisexuality. As you know, student, the unisexuality means the flower may be either male or female. They may be born on the separate plant. See, student, means the 2 flowers, 2 plant. The one flower is a grow the male flower and one plant is a grow the female flower. So the pollen grain from anther to the stigma of separate flower is required for a cross pollination. Means in that way the nature is a favor for a cross pollination. Means unisexuality is leads to the nature for a cross pollination. Got it, student? Unisexuality means what? Unisexuality means the flower contain only male gametes, either the flower is contain only female gametes, and this way the cross pollination is the only possibility in the nature. This condition, first condition is a unisexuality. Some flower means some plant it born both, means the male also and female flower also, but the maturation timing of these male and female gametes is different, so it is also lead to the cross pollination. Got it, student? What is the first condition for the cross favors for the cross pollination is a unisexuality. Got it? Next is the next condition of the cross pollination is a dichogamy. Dichogamy means what? The androecium and gynoecium is the maturation time is a different. Means see, the flower is a bisexual flower, means the flower contain the anther and stigma, but both are mature different times, so it leads to the cross pollination. Means both are mature is not in same time, so self pollination is a prohibited. Dichogamy means the condition which favor for the cross pollination leads to the maturation time is a different from androecium and gynoecium. This condition is called as the dichogamy. The dichogamy is further divided into the 2 types, protandry and protogamy. Let us see what is meant by protandry. Protandry means the condition in which some flower, anther of the flower mature earlier than the stigma. Means in some flower, the condition, the stigma, the stamen, in the stamen contain the pollen grain is a mature earlier than the stigma. So this condition is also favor for the cross pollination. Means in the pollen grain is a mature, but in the stigma is a unmature. So another, this pollen grain is a transfer from the another flower of the stigma. Means this condition protandry means what? Some flower, anther of the flower mature earlier than the stigma, so this pollen grain is just transferred to the another flower by the cross pollination. Got it, student? Next is the protogamy. Protogamy means in some flower the stigma is a mature earlier than the anther. See, Observe this flower. This is the stigma. The stigma is a mature, but in the stamen the anther is not mature. So the stigma is accept the another pollen grain from another flower. So the cross pollination is a happen. And let us see this diagram. There is the stamen mature, there is only stigma mature, means both timings are different, so there is a prohibited by the self pollination. So the protogamy is the condition in the stigma is a mature earlier than anther, so this condition is a favor for the cross pollination. Got it, student? Next condition is the favor for cross pollination is the self sterility. Self sterility means this is the condition in which even stigma receive the pollen grain from anther of the same flower, but the pollen failed to germinate. See, student, this is the bisexual flower, means the flower which contain the pollen grain, means this is the anther, it contains the pollen grain, and this is a stigma. When the pollen grain is a mature, means both are mature in the same time, the pollen grain matures and put on the stigma, but in the bisexual flower both genetic material same. So in some rare case is happening like that, when the pollen grain is put on the stigma, the pollen grain is not developed into the pollen tube, means the pollen grain is not germinated because of some genetic characters are same in both male and female gametes. So this condition is the self sterility, and this condition is a favor for the cross pollination. Again I will explain. Means see, student, this is a flower, this is a flower, this is a stamen, and this is a stigma. The pollen grain is mature, the pollen grain is transferred to the stigma, but there is some condition, the pollen grain is not germinate, so it is a fail for the self pollination, so it leads to the cross pollination. Means self sterility means the pollen grain, the male gamete and female gamete, some genetic materials are same, so there is not lead to the self pollination, so the condition is a favor for the cross pollination. Understood, student? Next condition is the hercogamy. Hercogamy means the some mechanical, the structural barrier which is present in between the stigma and anther, so this condition is leads to the cross pollination. See this structure, see this picture, some plant, the pollen grain of the flower cannot reach to the stigma. See this picture. In this picture there is some mechanical barrier which is present in between the stigma and the stamen, so this mechanical barrier is in this mechanical barrier the self pollination is prohibited, and this condition which favor for the cross pollination. Got it, student? What is mean by hercogamy? Hercogamy means the mechanical and structural barrier which is present in the flower, so their self pollination is prohibited, and this condition is a favor for the cross pollination. Next condition is the heterostyly. Heterostyly means such flower, the stigma and the anther grow in different heights. See, observe this picture, and this is the style and this is the stigma, means the long style and the short stamen, and this is the short style and long stamen, means the height is difference in difference height which not favors for the self pollination. Got it, student? This condition is called as the heterostyly, means the such flower, the stigma and anther grow in different height which does not favor for the self pollination, it is the favors for the cross pollination. Got it, students? These conditions are favor for the cross pollination in the nature. Got it? Let us revise. What is the condition which leads to the cross pollination? The first condition is the unisexuality. Unisexuality means what? The flower may either male or female, they born on the separate plant, so this condition is favorable for the cross pollination. Example, papaya, palm is only the plant is a grow female flower, only the plant is grow male flower. So this condition is a favor for a cross pollination, means the unisexuality is the contrivances to favor the cross pollination. Next is the dichogamy, means the androecium and gynoecium is a mature in the different times. So this condition is a favor for a cross pollination, means there is a self pollination is a prohibited, only the chance for a fertilization through by the cross pollination. The dichogamy is further divided into two types, protandry and protogamy. Protandry means what? Protandry means what? The anther is a mature earlier than stigma, and the protogamy means the stigma is a mature earlier than the anther. These two condition is also favor for the cross pollination. Is the next self sterility, means in the bisexual flower the both anther and stigma mature in the same time, but in some cases, only rare cases is happening like that, the pollen grain is transferred to the stigma, but pollen grain is not germinate because some genetical characters are same, so the pollen grain is not germinate. So this condition is a favors only for the cross pollination. And next is the hercogamy, means some mechanical barrier which is present in the flower, this prohibited the self pollination, and this condition is leads to the cross pollination. And last condition is the heterostyle, means the difference the height, means such flower the stigma and anther grow at a different heights, so which is not favor for a self pollination. So this condition is also favors in the cross pollination. Got it, student? Which conditions is a favor for a cross pollination? And the next video I will explain you about that the fertilization. Thank you.